As part of the safety features of Lexus Enform Safety Connect in your vehicle, automatic collision notification offers an extension of the same kind of peace of mind you get from your Lexus. When something unexpected happens and your vehicle detects a collision, your Lexus will work to enhance your safety. If a collision results in an airbag being deployed or an impact sensor is triggered, your Lexus Enform system will automatically connect to a highly trained Lexus Safety Connect Response Center agent, who will attempt to talk with the vehicle's occupants and can stay with you online throughout the incident, so you're never alone. The Response Center agent will help determine what sort of emergency assistance you need and notify local emergency services as required for quick dispatch of fire, police, and emergency medical services to your location. In the event that the vehicle's occupants are unable to respond to the agent, emergency services will be dispatched automatically. Travel in comfort in your Lexus vehicle and take additional comfort from knowing that with automatic collision notification, help is on the way when you need it most. Thank you for watching this Know Your Lexus video.